When an airplane crashes, all the people sitting in it are killed. But now this new technology will be introduced to save the lives of all the people. In today's time, when an airplane crashes, no person sitting in it survives because of these three things. Firstly, when an airplane crashes, the passengers sitting in it do not have any option to leave the airplane. Secondly, when the airplane hits the ground, the entire body of the airplane gets destroyed, causing many injuries to the people. Even if a person survives this, the third thing that happens is that the fuel of the airplane catches fire. But now scientists have come up with an idea in which no person will die if the airplane crashes. The part of the airplane where the passengers will sit is called a capsule. Before flying, the capsule and the airplane will be connected to the pilot's cabin. This airplane capsule will have a parachute on the upper side and a place to keep the luggage below. Then, if any problem arises after flying in the air, the pilots will press the emergency button and this capsule will separate from the airplane. After that, the two parachutes above it will open, like comment, share, and follow.